Well, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi just addressed the nation, and we're going to be taking a look at his words. This is very important for anybody who drives for Uber or for any of the gig apps to listen in to what your CEO has to say to you, to your loved ones, to passengers, everybody across the country. So please thumbs up the video. This is the Rideshare Hub. You don't want to miss out on our updates because we post updates very frequently. When news comes out, I race to my office, I share it with you, and I upload it all within about 30 minutes, so you will not ever be behind on news, okay? First, I do want to thank our sponsor Solo, which is an app that does pay drivers guaranteed pay. So as you can see here, Work Solo is the business app for gig workers, and they provide drivers with this guaranteed pay feature, which is extremely innovative. 10 to 11, you know, they're going to guarantee that you make $37 an hour. This is an example. So as a special, when you use our link to sign up, they will be sending you $15. You just got to link your gig account and then enter your payment information, which could be Venmo or PayPal. So very easy. They do have a free version as well, completely free, no fees ever, nationwide, and then they have these other ones so you can get free trials as well. So listen to this. I was on Dara Khosrowshahi's Twitter, and he's been tweeting out a lot. He's very happy. You know, he doesn't really see any problems with what's going on. He says, we Uber love being a part of the Kareem journey. Congrats to Mudasir, Shika, and Magnus, the entire team, what you've accomplished and innovative ahead of us. But more importantly, listen to this. Dara Khosrowshahi was featured on the best CEOs for women. And he says, being on this list made my day, best CEOs for women. Meanwhile, drivers have felt left behind. Drivers are quitting. Drivers are angry, protesting across the country, across the world. I mean, this is the reality that so many drivers have, you know, really, you know, like they felt stranded. Meanwhile, Dara Khosrowshahi says, love it when everyone wins. Uber is partnering with Hertz to rent drivers' Tesla vehicles. 15,000 drivers have participated nationwide, driving 40 million miles. Well, Dara Khosrowshahi, did you realize that there are around 6 million gig workers in the United States? Since when does 15,000 drivers equal everyone? It simply doesn't. It simply doesn't. Which just goes hand in hand with the fact that so many drivers felt left behind, because you take such a small subset of drivers who, you know, can get a Tesla. They have access to that program, and, you know, mostly, yeah, those drivers probably are happy. You know, they're driving around in a Tesla and they're making really good money. But what about the millions of other drivers out there, gig workers? You know what I mean? This is not, quote, everyone wins. There are drivers who are not getting tipped, drivers going out there. According to HireCar, Uber and Lyft drivers make less than $15 an hour when driver costs are considered. I mean, this is the reality, my friends. So anyways, wanted to make this quick video for you guys and just share with you what Dara had to say. Let me know your thoughts on this man. Do you like Dara, the CEO? And again, sign up for Solo with our link below. Solo says once you use their app, you're gonna take home around $5,000 more a year for the average app-based driver. No risk, no risk. It is a tax deduction, and you can cancel at any time. So you can start your free trial. And again, when you sign up with our link, you have to use our link, and they will get you, they will send you 15 bucks. Okay, this is all verified. We're actually on their website here. The Rideshare Guy is too, and these other YouTubers who, you know, make some really cool content. Gig Nation, really love his content. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care, God bless, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.